Make a video of my 69 GMC. It's been sitting for about 5 months. I need to clean it up, and I'm gonna get it ready to get a repaint. So I want to get a good video of what it looked like before the paint job. So I'll grab this hood. Short wheelbase, 17-inch wheels, 350 Vortec heads. I guess I should clean the junk out of the floorboard, but anyway. Stuck in the yard. Get underneath here. Not sure what I can see in there. Not sure what was visible or not. Just stuck the phone under there, let you get a glimpse. I've owned the truck over 2 years. Very dependable truck. Enjoy the heck out of it. But she may be getting a new paint job shortly. Alright, that's my 69 GMC.